Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Hey, rope in and come see what me I cook up with in the kitchen. On today's menu, we have some curry oxtail. So first, I'm going to season my oxtail. I'm going to blend up some of the seasoning. So to my bullet, I'm adding 1 large onion that I cut up and some garlic, thyme, yellow and red sweet peppers, green sweet peppers, and I'm only adding some of it at this point. Some scallion and pimento. Yes, some pimento. You can't leave out the pimento. And of course, you need some scotch bonnet pepper and dash in some olive oil. So cover it and give it a quick mix up and blender. That's what's gonna go down next. Mix up and blender time. Come through, bullet. So now that I've made some space, I'm gonna make them small up themselves. I'm going to add the rest of the green sweet pepper and sort it out again. So blend. After I add them in, and guys, you just use what you need to use and then store the rest of it in the fridge and add to any other food that you're cooking. It's just basically seasoning. It's so good. Okay, here it is, all done. Smell turn up and all these things. Yes, check it out. So season up time. So my oxtail is clean and ready for the seasoning light. So I'm adding 3 tablespoons of blended seasoning and this awesome curry powder. Better pack curry to the world. Yes, better pack curry to the world. It's so good. If you never yet tried, please try it. And Vibes fam, guess what? You can also add a little bit of your all-purpose seasoning to it and rub it all together. Rub it up, rub it in good, rub it in well. We say rub up. Rub up 1 time, rub up 2 times, rub up 3 times, and rub up 4 times. Yes, all the way to 7. 7 is my favorite number, by the way. So that's why I'm saying that. So yeah, make sure you incorporate everything really well. Rub, girl, rub. So here it is, all done. This looks so pretty and well seasoned down to the bone. Looking so good. So what I'm about to do now is to take a piece of cling film and cover it and put it in my fridge until I'm ready for cook it the next day. Cover it down good with that. So Vibes fam, here are the ingredients that I will be using to cook up that 1 curry oxtail here. And this is the next day. So my oxtail has been marinating for 24 hours. Yes, you know it well tastes good. So it's time to get to cooking. I'm adding about a tablespoon of oil and then I'm going to add some curry powder, right? And I'm just going to burn it a little bit. So now that the burning is complete, I'm adding my oxtail and stir it up. And after I stir it up, then I'm going to cover it just so the natural juices can come forth. Juices, come forth. So yes, stir it up. So I'm doing this in my pressure cooker because I'm going to pressure it. But before I do that, I'm doing this little part. So cover it down and then 10 minutes. So this is 10 minutes. So give it a stir and then the same bowl that you season the oxtail in, right? So I'm going to add some water in just so I can get all of my seasoning, and then I'm pouring it into the pressure cooker, and then of course I add some more water, right? And I'm going to cover it and pressure it for 30 minutes. If your pressure cooker faster than that, but know your pressure cooker, then you know the time. Now that it's all done, I'm transferring it to another pot just to finish the cooking process. So guys, I don't know where my head was. I didn't add any salt to it when I season it, so I'm adding some salt. Look at it, it looks so good. So yes, so I'm adding some salt and ginger, crushed garlic, and 2 more tablespoons of, you see my seasoning? Yes, because it was in the fridge, that's why it looks so. So 2 more tablespoons of the seasoning and some pimento powder. Combine it all and I allow it to come to a boil. So medium heat at this point in time. And then I added some chopped up green sweet pepper and dried thyme. And guys, please make sure you taste and see what else you need, and then we're going to cover it up and let it cook for 10 minutes. Here it is after 10 minutes, and now I'm going to add my little cube carrots and my can of butter bean. Stir it up and then cover it and give it about 7 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes tops. You don't want to go over that because you don't want your carrot them soft and then you know them not ready for the video lights. Yeah, guys, don't this look so delicious? That looks so good. Amazing. Fix them up. 10 minutes. Facial. Facial, yes. Vibes fam, here it is after 10 minutes. Oxtail, you're ready for every light. Every single light, even the stoplight, because trust me, them have to stop you when them see you and say, who is you? No, who is you? Because you're stepping out very strong. So yeah, guys, I added some black pepper just to give it, you know, like a something. So stir it up, and are you that Vibes fam ready to dash out and share for your family? Oh gosh. Gravy. And I ask if me not love it, I say I love a gravy. Gravy. Look good. Oh gosh, man, that looks so good. Vibes fam, me say we this up in the video light, cause we say Curryoxtail ever ready body have to be presented and put on display for the masses to see. Vibes fam, uno eye this? Is uno eyeing this? Oh, hotness! Uno see steam? Cause I chat, you know, cause she say hot tail. Yes, hot tail. Hey. Hot tail make the way clear. Hot tail come true. Guys, this bowl of curry oxtail was such a delight to my belly. Guys, comment down below and tell me what you would have this with. What would you have this with? I want to hear. Yes, I want to hear. Amazing. Oh, that looks so good. And the steam just add to the picturesque display of this amazingness. Yes. So Vibes Fam, I wasn't going to show you what I add mine with. But yes, I'm going to show you guys. So I devoured mine with some, you can see, gungo, rice and peas, and all these things. Guys, I was way too anxious to eat. But because the Bible said be anxious for nothing, so I stopped and grabbed my camera and said, let me show y'all. Here it is. I add some gungo, rice and peas, avocado, and broccoli. Please don't forget to comment down below and tell me what you would have this curry oxtail with. Vibes Fam, I really enjoyed your company. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. New watchers, please subscribe. I hope you all are doing great. Family, please share this video with someone and ask them to come and join the family. Smash the like button if you like the video. And guys, please make sure you have the notification bell on so that you can be alerted when I post my videos. Thanks for watching. Follow me on all socials. By the way, one day, Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Click the link down below. All right, Vibes Fam. Thank you so much. God bless you.